Okay, this is what I've been working on. See, I can get organized. I just have too much of one thing. So now I have my markers, my nail stuff, these are pins, art stuff, permanent markers, pencils, and some pins. I guess I need to put okay, there we go. See, I'm learning. I know how to organize. I am a Virgo. Oops, I'm coming undone again. And then this is exactly what I need for right now to take off stickers. I'm so tired. What time is it, guys? No. Oh, bye. Hugo. Hey. Hey, Bob. Bob. Hi, Bob.
Do you ever not cry in this room? Time Warner Cable is dedicated to the future of our nation's children. That's why we've launched our Connect a Million Minds initiative. We're asking adults to help us inspire kids through science, technology, engineering, and math. And we're
Hugo.
partnerships with
Puppy, 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 puppy.
Time Warner Cable employees are helping bring FIRST robotics competitions to the areas we serve. The future of our nation and our children depends on math, science, and technology. Visit Connect a Million.
Eat the carpet squares. Eat the carpet squares.
What you can do.
Well, the metal got up there to hold the beams. That big part's done. He's keeping up posts for security. He wants to give it a week or so. He's a little paranoia, but better be safe than sorry. He just loves that plastic covering the shrunk.
Plus, ask about DVR service free for 1 year. And premium channels.
Probably should have covered up that part of the shrunk too, but I didn't.
It's a scorcher out there, folks. Stay refreshed.
Hey, boys. I have an idea. New Lipton tea and honey. Sweetened with honey. Made from real tea leaves and real fruit flavors.
That is so good.
Hugo.
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 Real is refreshing. New Lipton tea and honey. Lipton. Drink positive. There's a unique story behind my skin. So my only makeup? True Match.
With 33 shades, L'Oreal's technology matches your skin's tone and undertone.
There's only one True Match for me.
True Match from L'Oreal.
If you stash tissues like a squirrel stashes nuts, you may be muddling through allergies.
He's trying to jump up. He's too little. Yeah, too little.
Symptoms for 24 hours. Zyrtec.
There's Bob.
Everyone is talking about the Tria laser, the #1 at-home hair removal
Bob.
laser worldwide.
I can't remember the last time I had to shave. I can go on a 2-week vacation to the Caribbean and not take a razor with me.
Now you can get the first and only FDA-cleared hair removal laser available for home use. Developed by the same scientists who made in-office laser hair removal a success, only Tria uses the same laser technology with the